Vice President retired General Dr. Kosalo Chwenga has disowned a fraudulent event allegedly linked to his name, exposing it as a scam designed to deceive and extort unsuspecting citizens under the guise of government endorsement. Sabela mashoko atonoti Chwenga anouya panguva ino achizvisetsa from this so-called multi-brilliant business dinner. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a strongly worded statement issued Monday, the office of the Vice President said it was not involved in the so-called event, which is described as a blatant violation of government protocol and a serious breach of organizational norms. In quotes, the office of the Honorable Vice President General retired Constantino Chwenga disassociates itself from the event, which has nothing to do with the government, blatantly violates government protocols, and goes against organizational norms, the statement said. The Vice President further condemned the scheme, calling it a fraudulent pseudo-event aimed at extorting money from the public by falsely associating the scam with his office and government officials. The Vice President takes great exception to being associated with such a fraudulent pseudo-event designed to extort the unsuspecting public through false association with him and other figures of government, the statement added. Domashiko anobuda panguva ino patoona kuti this state flyer and post yabva yatolabelwa kunzi fake after Chwenga's office yauya ikati no, I'm not aligned to this. Vakomana varoda kungoita meetings avo panguva inoi anoonekwa kunzi ada kuinvolva VP Kosano Chwenga aiwa kudeceive citizens, and also this meeting is described as a blatant violation of government protocol. Noda kwakuti iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this meeting ine maspeakers anonyatsoonekwa kunzi zviganhanda aroda kuinvolva VP Kosano Chwenga aiwa mumaacts aiwa anomuviolata. Tuziye mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu udza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like acho, tomba bell icon.